My name is Tuione. My full name is Tuione Pulotu. I come from Tonga, from a little island called Hawaiian. I'm working for PCC as a special consultant. I went to school because I wanted to learn art, and I'm so glad I did because that's how I developed my talents with my work. When I came out of school, I had to decide what medium that I'm gonna take. So I decided to go with wood. To me, when you cut a tree down, you kill the tree. When I take a piece of the tree and make something out of it and display it like this, you keep the tree alive. I went to Tonga in 1999 to build a Tongan career. While I was there, Bill Wallace called me. He wanted to do a canoe for the Hawaiian study program. So I ordered the wood from Fiji and I came home and we started to build the Iosepa. It was only 7 months took us to build the Iosepa. You don't really appreciate what you do until later. When I finished with Iosepa, one evening I was there by myself, so I walked away and I looked at the Iosepa. I turned around and I looked at it and I said, wow, what a beautiful canoe. Did I actually did that by myself? No, I have help from someplace else. I always do my best with the wood because I want to, at the end, look at it and I say, you are beautiful. If I don't like it, I have to put it on a side because I don't look at it. I have quite a bit of young people who want to learn to carve, and I invite them to come to my house to teach them. I want to give everything that I know freely. I just love to do what I do. I just love it. I sleep at night and I'm anxious to see the daylight come so I can go outside and have enough light to work. Time is money, but I'm not working for money, I'm working for love. I feel that I'm the owner of the Polynesian Cultural Center because I have done so much over here. You ask me anything over here, I can tell you something about it. I transplant all this tall coconut tree here to plant everything that I almost have my hand on it. So I can tell you about it. I have great love for this place and I do anything for it, to protect it and to build it.